Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best heat guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the URBUS 3000. Of all the different models available today, this is probably the best heat gun out there. It has some great features that are just tough for the competition to keep up with. For instance, the LCD display is one of the easiest to read of all the different models we've checked out. It tells the temperature and the airspeed that you have the gun set to, which removes a lot of the guesswork from your projects. While this gun is a bit on the heavy side, it also has an extremely wide range for both its temperature and airflow. With this gun, you are quickly and easily able to set the temperature all the way from a low 120 degrees, up to a ridiculously high 1200 degrees. This makes it a perfect tool for pretty much any job. The airflow range is pretty nice, too. This large range will allow you to carefully control the amount of heat you are blowing out, helping you make sure that you don't overheat anything. The motor is not too powerful, but it isn't weak either. While you might have to wait a bit longer for this gun to get going than with other models, you will also not have to worry about it overheating while you work. Add in the fact that this device comes with an automatic power switch, and you can easily see why this is one of the best heat guns on the market. Moving on at number 4, we have the SEEKONE Heat Gun 1800W. SEEKONE Heat Gun is the most powerful tool on our list. Adjusting the temperature with a dial on the back of this model is super easy. While this is not as accurate as some other heat guns, with a bit of practice, this system can be used quite effectively. You can choose between 2 different airflow speeds with a simple-to-use high-low switch. The SEEKONE Heat Gun has an impressively large temperature range, as it can be used from a super low 120 degrees to an impressive 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility makes it easy to complete a variety of work, no matter what temperature you are going to use. Since the heat level is so high, it is good to see that the heat gun has a built-in overload protection system. This fail-safe system helps make sure that you can keep the gun from sustaining damage to the heating mechanism and the circuitry inside the tool. This gun also comes with 4 different nozzles. These nozzles make this heat gun even more versatile, as they will allow you to complete specific jobs with more precision. Unfortunately, they can be a bit tricky to get to stay on, so if you choose to use them, you really need to make sure that you get them on right, or they won't work for you. With this heat gun, you will get a deflector, reflector, and concentrator nozzles. At number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER HG 1300. The beautiful thing about this heat gun from BLACK+DECKER is how compact it is in its design. It is extremely lightweight and is much smaller than many other heat guns. This makes it the ideal choice for packing up and taking with you as you work. If you are someone who needs a heat gun on the go, then this is the right choice for you. This heat gun is also one of the simplest and most straightforward that you can buy. It only has one airflow option, which helps to make it easier to use but will also limit its effectiveness on certain jobs. The model only has 2 different heat settings. You can either set it to 750 degrees Fahrenheit or 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple dual choice makes it quicker to get up and running, but, again, will limit what you can accomplish with the tool. Something else that helps with the portability of this tool is its extremely long cord. It is a full 6 feet in length. This makes it easy to reach all around a room or workshop without having to unplug it or use an extension cord, which really speeds up the process. Another nice feature of this heat gun is the little kickstand on the handle. This has a dual purpose. If you need to heat the same area for a long period, you can set up the gun with its stand for continuous heating. It is also a safety feature. It allows you to set the gun down to cool off without risking the gun being against something while it is still hot. At number 2, we have the Genesis GHG 1500A. Let's say you are looking for a quality heat gun, but you don't want to spend a fortune. If this sounds like you, then you might want to check out this heat gun from Genesis. Its price is amazing, especially when you consider the fact that it comes with several different attachments and nozzles that are usually relegated to much more expensive models. These nozzles help to increase the effectiveness of the tool quite a bit, which only increases the value of this tool. The motor on this tool is pretty powerful. It helps to get the heat gun up and running quickly. As you would expect from a cheaper model, this tool does not have a wide variety of airflow settings or temperature ranges. The airflow speed for this gun can only go up to 17 CFM, which is relatively low when compared to other models. It is still enough to get the job done for lighter projects, but might not be enough for tougher jobs. The two heat levels that you can choose from are good for a variety of jobs. The higher heat level is especially impressive, and at 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, is one of the highest you can find. With that heat level, you could easily strip paint or loosen any rusty bolts that you might need to. This gun has an integrated kickstand as well, so if you need to heat something for an extended period, you can do so hands-free. And finally at number 1, we have the Master Appliance Master HG Series Heat Gun. If you have a job that is going to require an extended period of heating, then this is the heat gun for you. The nozzle can be rotated up to 90 degrees, which will allow you to get the heat wherever you need it. It has a rubber-backed base that allows to set the gun down without having to worry about it falling over. This makes it perfect for long-term heating projects, such as plastic welding or loosening rusty bolts. You can also rest assured that this gun won't go anywhere on you once you set it down due to its high weight. It is one of the heaviest heat guns on the market, which makes it perfect for stationary heating. Of course, that also means that it isn't all that portable, even though it does have a long cord. This heat gun has one of the largest airflow ranges on the market. It can go all the way up to 23 CFM. This, when coupled with its high heat ranges, makes it a great choice for any tough job. You also don't have to worry about this product overheating on you. It has a large intake fan on the side that not only takes in air to be heated but also works to keep the tool from overheating. Since it operates at such high temperatures and has a powerful motor, this overheating protection is a great safety feature to have. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.